Next is crop. It is the largest portion of the alimentary canal. Main portion of the alimentary canal, that is crop. This crop, which contains 10 chambers, it is divided into 10 chambers. These 10 chambers surrounded by sphincters muscles. This sphincters muscle which connect each chambers. Then this lateral outgrowth from each chambers called ceca or diverticula. The lateral chambers of lateral outgrowth from each chambers. Lateral outgrowth means from the chambers. You can see here, this is the crop chambers. This is crop, there are 10 chambers as we have seen already. From this lateral outgrowth means this one. This is lateral outgrowth, this is lateral outgrowth. Then each chambers, that lateral outgrowth, that is called crop diverticula or ceca. Then it stores large amount of blood. This last chamber of crop opens into the stomach. Then the stomach leads into the intestines. Then intestines opens into the rectum. Rectums open into anus. Like that. It starts from mouth. Then buccal cavities, esophagus. There are 10 crop chambers which store large amount of blood. And this crop chambers leads into the stomach, open into the stomach, where the digestion takes place with the help of proteolytic enzyme, which break the proteins. Then digested food absorbed by intestines, undigested food which is stored in the rectum. Then rectum, once it is filled with undigested food, it will be egested or removed through anus. Next is feeding and digestion. Leaves mainly which suck the blood from domestic animals like cow, even human beings, frog, fishes, all that animals, the host organism. How it suck the blood? Which attached with the posterior sucker. That posterior sucker which attached with the host organisms, and where that triradiate Y-shaped incisions which helps to bite the host organism to suck the blood. This triradiate, it is present in the mouth, which is having 3 jaws in a single row of minute teeth. Next, it goes to the pharynx, common passage for food and pipe. Then saliva, which contains hirudines. Already we have seen hirudines. Then the blood is stored in the crop and diverticula. Already we have seen crop and diverticulas. Then this crop, it leads in the stomach, where the digestion takes place. That blood which contains proteins, that proteins which breaks with the help of proteolytic enzyme to digest proteins. Then slowly absorbed by intestines. This spelling is missing. Intestine, intestine. Intestine. Slowly they absorb digested food, slowly absorbed by intestines. Then undigested food which is stored in the rectum. Through the rectum, it will be eliminated by anus. Digested food materials. Thank you for watching videos.